Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a meeting in your Amazon Chime account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime. Firstly, open your Amazon Chime application. The home page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Click on the Schedule option just below Instant. Tap on Schedule at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, add the title of your meeting, schedule the date, as well as time. Enter the events as well if you want to, and then tap on Save. This is how you can schedule a meeting in your Amazon Chime account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.